And first, on their way to the ring, putting their tag team titles on the line, Chris Sabin and Alex Shelley, the Motor City Machine Guns. And their opponent. Who's their mystery opponents? Bobby Roode and Austin Aries, the Dirty Heels. That's right, there they are, the Dirty Heels. Ding, ding, ding. It's on now. It is on now. Oh my gosh. There goes Bobby Roode. Whoa. Putting his legs on the ropes. Oh my gosh. Splash by Bobby Roode. Going for the cover. Could that be it? Could that be it? One. Kick out by Alex Shelley. Clothesline. Wait a minute. Oh no. Whoa. Trying to take Alex Shelley down. Trying to take Bobby Roode down. Oh no. Oh my gosh. That double foot stomp drop by Alex Shelley. Somersault senton. Standing moonsault. Splash to Bobby Roode. Going for the cover. Onto Bobby Roode. 1, 2. Kick out by Bobby Roode. On a whoa. Oh my gosh. Bobby Roode now. Whoa. Bobby Roode with that. Power bomb. 1, 2. Kick out by Alex Shelley. Oh no, wait a minute. Bobby Roode, he's got him for another power bomb. Wait a minute. No! Turning it into a Roode bomb. But wait a minute. Alex Shelley got back up. Oh, no. Slice bread to Bobby Roode. Alex Shelley, wait a minute. Oh, shooting star press. 1, 2. Kick out by Bobby Roode. Alex Shelley with that super kick to Bobby Roode. Wait a minute. Bobby Roode's Pine Buster. Austin Aries made the tag. Bobby Roode wasn't ready, it seems. Oh, no, wait a minute. Whoa. Bobby Roode with Alex Shelley. Oh, no. Forearm. Oh, my gosh. Bobby Roode, he's got him right where he wants him. For Austin Aries. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Austin Aries now with that splash. Right onto Alex Shelley. 1, 2. Kick out by Alex Shelley. Oh, no, wait a minute. Austin Aries. Oh, no, whoa. Playing around with Alex Shelley. Drop kick by Austin Aries. Austin Aries trying to go for the last chancery. Wait a minute, no. Super kick. Oh, no, wait a minute. Oh. Knee. Oh, my gosh, that leg lariat. Alex Shelley gonna go to the top ropes. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Austin Aries. Brainbuster by Austin Aries. Going for the cover. 1, 2. Kick out by Alex Shelley. On a clothesline to Alex Shelley. But wait a minute. Alex Shelley body scissors. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, the tornado DDT. But wait a minute, Austin Aries getting up immediately. Oh no, wait a second. Oh, that forearm. Austin Aries. Drop kick by Austin Aries. Austin Aries going for the brainbuster. Bobby Roode tagging himself in. Austin Aries still gonna go for a brainbuster. No, Alex Shelley got out of there. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Now what are you doing? Oh my gosh, no! Bobby Roode, what are you doing? Spinebuster to Austin Aries. Oh no, wait a minute. He's got Austin Aries. Road bomb to Austin Aries. My gosh. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Super kick by Alex Shelley. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Throwing him down on the ground. But wait a minute. Austin Aries tagging himself in. Austin Aries getting inside the ring. Wait a minute. Oh no. Chris Sabin making a tag. Sit down body slam. Somersault senton by Chris Sabin. Oh no, wait a minute. Alex Shelley going to the top turnbuckle. Wait a minute. Chris Sabin in a neck breaker position while Alex Shelley is on the top turnbuckle. I believe they call this the Skull and Bones. Oh, Skull and Bones. The neck breaker and a splash equals the Skull and Bones. The ref gonna count it. 1, 2, 3. It's over. Ding, ding, ding. Your winners and still tag team champions, the Motor City Machine Guns. Chris Sabin going for the cover now. What is he doing? 1, 2, 3. That's right. Oh no, wait a minute. Bobby Roode with the glorious DDT. Another Roode bomb. Oh my gosh, the Roode bomb. He's out of there. The Dirty Heels are done.